In this video, we are going to see the career Google certificates. So it is a job ready skills. Okay, so here the freshers may also complete this course and get the certificate. Okay, and you will get the job ready. So these are called the Google job ready career certificates. So let us see the details regarding the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam electronic science. So the revision course through MCQs is going to start from April 7th, 2021 onwards. From the Unacademy side. Okay, so myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And regarding these details, I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down. Coming to the present content of the video, you may check down here. So go with Google. So I will provide this website link at the end of the description box of this video, so you may check down. It is a wonderful opportunity provided by the Google guys. Okay, why? Because they are the job ready skills you can put to the work, and flexible online training designed to put you on the fast track to jobs in high growth fields. Okay, so you will get the, after completion of the successful training, okay, you will get the certificates too. So get professional level training from the Google, and no experience necessary. So learn job ready skills with no relevant experience. Okay, so here the 13 lakh in demand job openings across the certificate fields, and complete the online program on your own terms under 10 hours of flexible study per week. And the stand out to employers, can make your resume competitive with a credential from Google. 82% of certificate graduates report a positive career impact in 6 months, and a path in the demand jobs. That means connect with top employers who are currently hiring $63,600. Okay, so here earn a credential that can lead to jobs in the high growth fields, and you may check down here what are the departments. So IT support and data analytics. Okay, and next was project management and UX design and the Android development. Okay, so if you want to get the notifications regarding this career certificates, then click on the subscribe button here. Okay, so you will get the notifications from the Google guys. Okay, for example, if you are looking for the project management, okay, then click on this one here, learn more. Then you will come to the details completely regarding this one. So the Google project management certificate. Okay, so here on Coursera, so no relevant experience required, 100% remote and online learning, under 10 hours of study a week. Okay, and here you may check down, so how much of average entry level salary in the project management and how many job openings are there. Okay, so you will get the overview regarding this course. Okay, and what are the certificate details. Okay, and the path to the jobs. Okay, so all these things are given here. So you just check down guys, and here the demo video is also provided. So here the hands-on projects and regular assessment and quizzes and assignments will be there. So it is a full certificate program. Okay, so I will provide this link anyhow. So to get the accurate and more details, please visit this official website and get to know the complete details guys. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UG Senate candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide